Everyone, welcome back to TY Basic Chemistry class. This is Meenakshi Dilip Birari, working as an assistant professor in Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Karmavir Abasaheb तथा Namasунone, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Satana. Since from last 3 lectures, we were discussing about the first chapter, that is modern approach to chemical industry. Now, this is the fourth lecture of the same chapter, that is modern approach to chemical industry. In this lecture, we will see the three important topics, that is research and development, safety measures and economics of chemical industry. In previous lectures, we have studied introduction, how the chemical industries differ from other industries, what are the basic requirements of chemical industries. To establish chemical industry or chemical plant, we must know all the basic requirements of chemical industries. When the raw material is subjected for the manufacturing of desired product, it includes various processes and operations. These are unit process and unit operations, quality control and quality assurance, process control, pollution control, and human resource. All these various aspects of chemical industries we have discussed in previous lectures. Now, in today's lecture, I am going to deal with three important aspects of chemical industries. These are research and development, safety measures, and economics of chemical reactions. Now, let us move towards today's lecture. First of all, research and development, that is R&D. According to the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, the term research and development refers to creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of man, culture and society, and the use of this stock of knowledge to devise new applications. For every industry, research and development is utmost important. Multinational industries have their own R&D departments. Research of market, product and technology etc. is constantly going on. Product and related technology is upgraded from time to time to maintain the position of the product in the market. New products are also developed and new technology are also developed, which is required for the development of product. So simply, research means develops new changes, development means modification of research. Now, what is the major role related to research and development department? So major role of R&D is to maintain the status of the product in the market. Need of the market is surveyed constantly, and as per the requirement, changes in the product are suggested and implemented. So simply, the main role of R&D is to maintain the status of the product in the market, and as per the requirement, changes in the product are carried out. So research develops new changes and development, that is modification of research. Research and development and R&D means simply applying science and technology for innovation in any field. Chemical industries are well known for their rapid development just because of enormous research and development. Developed nations spends too much assets over R&D. For small scale industry, own R&D may not be possible, but knowledge required may be purchased from the market. Outsourcing of technology itself is a fast growing industry now. R&D laboratories working for others are now available on commercial basis. So any type of the problem related to industry, it may be solved with the help of such private R&D department also. So simply we can remember that without R&D, development and progress of industry is not possible. So for the development and progress of industry, R&D or research and development plays an important role. So progress of industry and success of industry is directly related to research and development, that is R&D. Now, why research and development is important in chemical industry? What is the reason why research and development department it is very important in chemical industry? It is related to the success of industry. Research and development R&D is the backbone for growth and development of any industry or any company. R&D contributes majorly to the success of the chemical industry as well. It brings innovation in the technologies and products used by a chemical manufacturer. Continuous efforts is the key to carry out extensive research and set a new benchmark for other industries in the competition. In today's competitive market, where customers actively seek new and innovative products, R&D has gained more importance in every chemical manufacturer production cycle. It provides a platform for evolution and keeps the industry competitive. The base of any research and development process is to clearly understand the problem faced by current techniques or products and work towards figuring out a solution. So these are the different things. Due to this, research and development is important in chemical industry. It is the backbone for the growth and development of any industry or company. It is also directly related to the success of chemical industry. Without R&D, there is no development and progress of chemical industry. It is also helpful to bring innovation in the technologies and also in the products. In today's competitive market, also research and development plays an important role for every chemical manufacturer production cycle. It also provides a platform for evolution and also keeps the industry competitive. So research and development it plays a very important role in chemical industry. It is a backbone for growth and development of any industry. The success of chemical industry is related to research and development department. Research and development can be performed for the various sectors in chemical industry. Research on developing new chemical products that are more efficient and can enhance the quality of life. Research on the changes occurred in consumer demands and build product according to the variations analyzed. Research on the quantity of chemicals to be produced and sold in order to achieve economies of scale. Research on the current procedure and processes used for making chemicals to cut off the capital expenditure. Research on different tactics to conserve and minimize the amount of raw materials used in the chemical production process. So these are the various sectors in chemical industry in which the research and development is important. Now the next term is safety measures. What is safety? The word safety is derived from French word sauf, that is also having the meaning safe. Safety is the state of being safe, the condition of being protected from harm or other non-desirable outcomes. Safety can also refer to the control of recognized hazards in order to achieve an acceptable level of risk. So that is the meaning of safety, which is the French word sauf. The same meaning is safe. So it is the condition of being protected from harm or other non-desirable outcomes. Safety of industry, people working in industry, environment around the industry, all are very crucial things. In chemical industries, many chemical reactions are difficult to monitor, and during that chemical reactions may lead to explosion or hazardous situations. Carelessness many times leads to an accident, and during that accident, loss of human being, material, machinery, or environment may occur. Appropriate safety measures must be made and also inspected from time to time so that there will be less hazard related to accident or the non-desirable outcomes are there. So safety measures are also important in chemical industries. Appropriate safety measures are there which are also important related to the human being, also for the environment. So simply safety is nothing but search for hazards, analyze the risk, find the cause, eliminate the cause, tell others you are safe. So we can remember this word, that is safety. Safety measures. So these measures or techniques implemented to reduce the risk of injury, loss and danger to persons, property or the environment in any facility or place involving the manufacturing, producing and processing of goods or merchandise. So that is nothing but the definition of safety measures, which are the techniques implemented to reduce the risk of injury, loss and danger to persons, property or the environment. Safety measures are activities and precautions taken to improve safety, that is reduce risk related to human health. Along with technology, safety management systems are also important. 12 process safety elements are identified. These are accountability, that is responsibility, process knowledge and documentation, process safety reviews for capital project, process risk management, management of change, process and equipment integrity, incident investigation, training and performance, human factors, company standards, codes and regulations, audit and corrective actions, enhancement of process safety knowledge. So these are nothing but 12 safety elements which are identified, which are also important while working in chemical industry. So all the above safety measure elements help to cause minimum damage in chemical industry. The Occupational Safety and Health Act, that is OSHA, was approved to provide improved safety and healthy working conditions throughout industry. So under this act, the Secretary of Labor has the answerability for formulating standards for all areas of industry, inclusive of the chemical industries. Under OSHA, there are three types of standards: initial standards, emergency temporary standards and permanent standards. So all these above safety measure elements, these are helpful to cause the minimum damage in chemical industry. So these are the 12 safety elements which are identified: accountability, process knowledge and documentation, process safety reviews for capital project, process risk management, management of change, process and equipment integrity, incident investigation, training and performance, human factors, company standards, codes and regulations, audit and corrective actions, enhancement of process safety knowledge. There are the various rules while working in chemical industries related to safety. You are responsible for your own safety and safety of others. We have to wear personal protective equipments which are also necessary for the job. Keep your work area clean, like that. So there are the 10 important rules related to the safety while working in chemical industries. So we can follow all the safety rules while working in chemical industry. Now the next topic, that is economics of chemical process. The main object of any industry is to deliver the best product and most efficient services at the lowest price to the consumers and make some profit. So there are the various economic factors associated with chemical industries. The economic factors associated with chemical industries are capital investment, working capitals, manufacturing cost. So these are the three factors associated with chemical industries. Capital investment includes investment on building, chemical plant, materials, equipment, storage facilities and other auxiliary utilities. While working capital includes cost of maintenance, testing of raw materials and working products, repairs and cash reserves. Third one, that is manufacturing cost. This mainly depends upon the price of raw material and operating cost, which includes labor, transport, supervision, staff for administration, electricity, water, fuel and also various other facilities. So every chemical industry has its research and development department. It keeps constant touch with the modern development in the field and also suggests the most beneficial process for a given product according to local conditions. So these are nothing but the economic factors which are associated with chemical industries. The main object of any industry is nothing but to deliver the best product and most efficient services at the lowest price to the consumers and make some profit. So these are the various aspects related to chemical industries. In short, we can say it is always desirable that chemical process should have low cost of production and low capital investment so that the percent profit increases. So whenever the cost of production it is less and capital investment is low, then we'll get the maximum profit. So it is always desirable that the chemical process should have low cost of production and low capital investment so that the percent profit increases. So it can be represented percent profit is equal to net profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So that is nothing but the very important term. By using that we can say the economics of chemical process should have low cost of production and low capital investment so as to increase the profit or percent profit. So in this lecture we have discussed the three important terms like research and development. What is the role of research and development in chemical industry? Why R&D is important? Also safety measures. Which are the safety measures important related to chemical industry? And the third one is nothing but economics of chemical process. Now in next lecture we will see the other important topics in detail. In that, what are the chemical reactions and how these chemical reactions are classified, what is the batch process and continuous process, which process is more preferable for manufacturing of various products. In detail we will see in next lecture. Thank you.